This morning's mission at the Emporium on lockdown Sunday, we're going to try and do a one-day rebuild on the little 50cc Italian mini bike. Let's get cracking. In on the ramp. So we're too much of a challenge. Well, we've had the strip so far. I've been 20 minutes. It's in pieces. Not going to involve taking the engine or wheels out. Just going to tidy things up. A little bit of fresh paint. Just pull it up. Because the frame and everything's pretty good, really. Plastic all off. Ready to change colour. And yeah. Like breakfast time. So killing the day slowly. Lockdown Sunday. 20-minute strip. Breakfast on the bike bench. Waffles, bacon, sausage, beans, fried eggs, crumpets. Beautiful. 7:30 this morning, 11:30 now. That's 4-hour build. Strip, rebuild, check all over, repaint, mint, mechanics all sorted, electric sorted. 4-hour build can be done.